Hello, I'm Ana de Almeida Kumlien. I came here to invite you to join us in the talk Accelerating Innovation in the Water Sector Through Smart Specialization Clusters. So in this talk it's a result of a work we did in collaboration between Trinity College Dublin and Bangor University and the project Durishka. So I was part of Durishka in 2018. And in the talk, we were going to talk about two actionable insights that we can we produced to help accelerate innovation in the water sector. And these are about how do we manage smart specialization clusters and help partners in a cluster to collaborate, and how we deploy demonstration sites with new technology to help these partners to learn how to innovate. So we use a methodology called action learning research to develop this work. And I do hope you can join us in the talk to learn more about this topic, which is really important for us to have a more carbon efficiency production of water and energy. Thanks for watching, and see you between the 4th and the 6th of December.